Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I didn't find any reference, so let's try something random. So random effect, I have been playing with curl noise recently, so let's try something with that. So I will create a folder here, my effects random. Okay, I have already random one. Okay, so I will just play with Niagara. I will not create any specific material I think for this. So let's just play with Niagara and see what we can create. So this is my random effect. So curl noise, and this is alright. So this is my default fountain effect, and what I can do, I can just add curl noise with on this. So I can add curl noise, and oops, curl noise false, fix.